my vagina.
No.
And a carrot shoved up there.
What?
With a carrot shoved in my vagina.
No.
Why? It's just like a dildo, but it's homemade.
Yeah, okay.
It has a condom on it.
Okay.
Help me, it hurts. Do you think that's wrong for the baby? Will it get poked in the head? Excuse me, sir. Do you have $500 for my abortion?
Yeah.
Help me. One time, me and my mom were going at it, and she shoved a toothbrush in my vagina.
Okay.
She said I was dirty.
Alright.
And she wanted to scrub me clean. Help. Will you do that to me? And then call me a bad girl? Hello? Daddy?
Brandon Starcher.
Brandon Starcher! If I knew your middle name, so help me God! Would you like... What?
Why are you calling me?
Because I need your help with my baby.
Oh my god, you're fucking annoying.
Fuck me hard!
It's your fault.
It's your fault I'm having this child!
I'm surprised you didn't hang up.
What?
7239.
Okay.
Okay,
What is it?
Yeah.
I love you.
Okay.
370.
I love you. Don't leave me.
Shit.
They texted me, hey, who is this? Who is that?
Wait, let me call her.
It's 37.
Hold on.
What if it's Patrick's girlfriend?
Dude, I don't fucking care.
Did you hang up with Brandon?
Yeah, he hung up on me.
370.